I better go.
Not without me.
What?
I've been stuck inside for weeks, Louise. I need to have some fun. Please, help me escape.
But your mother will freak.
She'll never know. The doctor said it's okay for me to go out, but Mum's just seriously overprotective. I need to live, Louise.
Well, we better make it look like you're asleep. Here. Kidnapping your friend for the afternoon? What's the worst that could happen?
That was quick.
Hi, Mr. Edgar.
Hey, pal.
Actually, it's Al.
Oh, I know, yeah.
Dad, Al's gonna hang out for a while. Is that okay?
As long as it's fine with his parents.
They're thrilled to get rid of me.
Wonderful. Let's go home.
Our plan was daft, but I was willing to do anything to make things right with Al. He needed me now, and I wasn't gonna abandon him again.
Your drawing is getting better.
Thanks.
It's a non-bucket list bucket list. It's meant to make me seize the day.
Does it work?
Yeah, sometimes. But now there's this other lump, so we'll see what happens.
Junior, the tumor's been growing too.
So that's why your mum was so...
Yeah.
So, what do you want to do today?
This.
Flirt with Usheen Power. Really?
No, I want to do my own bucket list. All in one afternoon. The first thing I want to do is eat a deep-fried chocolate bar.
Ready?
Ready.
How have I never tried this before?
I know. Numero duo. Get a tattoo.
A henna tattoo.
That's so cool.
Do you read this? No, yours is really, really cool. Oh, whoa, whoa! Your mother is gonna kill you. And me.
If the tumor doesn't get me first.
Dark.
Do you think my mama's been on to them yet? She has their numbers.
Well, we don't have to deal with it yet.
That's so.
Oh, that's class. Yes. Can I just get 3 scoops of chocolate, please?
Can I get 1 strawberry, 1 banana, 1 pistachio, another pistachio? Thank you.
Sorry, can all the ice cream be from newly opened tubs? My friend here is immunocompromised, so it has to be fresh. Don't look at me like that. Okay, I broke you out of your gap, but I'm not letting you get sick. I'm returning you in one piece.
Cheers, Captain Buzzkill.
Happy to be of service.
Can I get whipped cream and some sauce and a bit of that and a bit of that?
It was great with Al, just like old times. But we still needed to clear the air.
That one looks like a dog.
An ugly dog.
I know why you went quiet. You didn't know how to deal with me being ill after you got better. It's cool. Seriously, Louise, it is.
I'm sorry. What I did was awful.
When I'm better, I'm gonna leave you in the dust and hang out with models and millionaires.